delicious natural drink for restoring your thyroid gland. Because of the properties in these ingredients, cranberries mixed with spices and lemon juice can help restore thyroid health, while improving thyroid symptoms. Changes in the thyroid gland are more common in women than in men. There are generally a lot of different things that could cause it, but it's not always easy to realize when you're experiencing a problem with this hormone gland. Sometimes fatigue, apathy, and other changes, like hair loss or weight gain, are often related to some sort of emotional disorder, or even depression. But before jumping to your own conclusions, you need to see a doctor. When the thyroid gland is disrupted, you can suffer from hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Every person is unique, and have to find the best treatment for your own needs. You'll also have to improve your life habits, and in this case, introducing this delicious natural drink into your diet could be a great help. So check it out. A delicious natural drink for restoring your thyroid gland. We must make it clear that this natural drink does not cure either hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. It's a daily accompaniment to taking better care of your thyroid gland, and therefore to face symptoms, such as fatigue, dry skin, drops in mood, loss of energy, or bad moods, fluid retention, weak hair or nails, feeling cold or hot. We are going to include the following ingredients. We'll explain the benefits of each one below. Cranberries. Cranberries are one of the richest antioxidant foods known to man. Not only that, but they contain a good amount of iodine. So if you suffer from hyperthyroidism, it's best to avoid these, but generally they can care for and prevent any thyroid-related disorder, and there's nothing better than half a cup of natural cranberry juice, 100 grams. Lemon juice. Don't forget to drink lemon juice every day. This makes it easier to digest food and it regulates thyroid functioning. Because of the acids, vitamins, and minerals in lemon juice, not only does it cleanse the body but it also increases the body's natural defenses for increasing strength and energy. Nutmeg. When consumed in small and regular doses, nutmeg protects metabolism and corrects thyroid gland functioning. It's also very powerful at fighting inflammation and fluid retention. It prevents blood clots and helps take care of skin, preventing it from becoming dry or losing elasticity. Cinnamon. Natural spices are Mother Nature's small treasures, and they can be used in health care. Before using sugar or salt, spices can greatly enhance flavor. So make sure to include a bit of cinnamon in your drinks, as this helps protect the thyroid gland as well. Cinnamon helps accelerate the metabolism. It is an energizing spice and also stimulates thyroid function. Cinnamon also stabilizes blood sugar and can therefore also help in improving your figure and overall health. Ginger. Do you have fresh ginger root at home? If so, then you have an amazing natural medicine for thyroid health. Ginger fights inflammation and pain, and also is energizing. It has an antioxidant effect which is great for skin care, and for improving digestion. If you get a lot of headaches, or if you are often fatigued, make sure to drink ginger infusions. It has a great effect on these conditions, and it can substitute pain medication. How to prepare your natural drink. Ingredients: juice from 1 lemon, 1/2 c. Cranberries, 100 grams, 2 glasses of water, 400 milliliters, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger root, 2 grams, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 grams, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 grams. Directions: First, wash the cranberries well and then place them in the blender. It's important to use all fresh ingredients, like fresh ginger root, which can be grated until you have 1/2 teaspoon of it. Squeeze the lemon. Then add the cranberries, lemon juice, 1 glass of water, and then the spices to the blender. Blend until it's mixed well, then pour into a jar. Add the remaining glass of water. It's best to drink your first glass immediately upon arising. The second should be drank 15 minutes before your main meal of the day. If you get used to drinking this natural remedy 2 or 3 times a week, you will improve your health and your thyroid gland. Why don't you try it today?